This video will show you how to use a Canvas app to record and post a short video about yourself to our discussion board. Here I'm on an iPhone, and my Canvas app is in the third row and second column of my app icons. It says teacher because I'm a teacher. Click it, and here are the courses that are available to me. And I am going to try to find one of my calculus classes. Here we'll do section 1. I'm going to go into discussions. And here is the assignment that I want you to post a hello video for. I'm going to click on it. And here's the text. And now I'm going to reply. And now what I'm going to do is, here it looks like I can only type. There's no obvious icon to show me that I can submit a video. So this is what you do. I'm going to go up to attachments, and I'm going to click plus, and it says use camera, so that's what I'm going to do, use camera. And here it says I can use a photo, or take a photo, or I can use the video. So I'm going to click on the video, and then I'm going to show me. There I am. Me, my beard, my headset. And I can record a video. Hi, this is Dr. Miller recording a video to show people in class how to record a video and upload it to Canvas. And I'll stop. And I could look to see if it's any good. I'm not going to bother you with that. Click use video. There we go. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. And we can scroll down. You can see there's a reply there. So you can participate. Yeah. So here's my computer. Here's the Canvas page. Here's Calc 1, Section 1. Let's reload this and see what happened. Sure enough, there I am. There's my video. I can click on it. Oh, it's going to have me download it. So it doesn't look like I embed, but there I am. Ugly me. Hi, this is Dr. Miller recording a video to show people in class how to... So that's how it works. Hopefully this little quick tutorial will be helpful for you. I look forward to seeing your videos. Bonsoir.